pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Da-da-da.
Nailed it! Hey guys, my name is Blake. I make videos on YouTube about DIY projects, and today I decided to do some upgrades in my master bathroom for my wife. If you guys liked any of this stuff at the beginning of the video, then keep watching because this video will be going over my top 5 upgrades that are easy to complete and beginner friendly. That being said, let's get on with upgrade number 1. The first thing I wanted to add was a TV so she could relax and watch her favorite shows after a long day of hard work. And because she wanted one. To do this, I'll need to install a new outlet in the location of the new TV. I was thinking about running a wire from this outlet up through the attic and over to the TV, but then realized that it's extremely hot up there this time of year. Instead, I found an outlet on the other side of the wall, so I'll be running a wire from there. If you want to do this at home and don't know how to install a new outlet, then you can always hire an electrician or just run an extension cord up over the door frame. After I got my first hole cut, I then needed to go to the other side and figure out where I want to install my cut-in box. Once I found a good position, I traced it with a pencil and cut out the drywall. Next, I'll need to drill through the stud so I can run my wires down to the other outlet and connect them together. Now I'll need to drill through the second stud so I can run the wires to the outlet. Next, I'll remove the outlet and run the wire into the existing box. Before you do this, make sure you turn off the breaker. I have another video on my channel going over how to install a new outlet, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link to that video in the top right corner. Now I'll head back over to my new outlet and do the exact same thing. If you guys are interested in any of the tools that I use every day like these wire strippers, then you can find the link over on my new website, nailedyt.com. Now that my new outlet is installed, I'll need to install the TV mount. Once everything was mounted, I flipped on my breaker and made sure everything was working. And wow, I can already tell this is going to be sweet. And if you're wondering about those red lights, those will come later in the video. Upgrade number 2 will be my awesome floating shelves. If you don't already know, these shelves are super easy to make and only use 2 screws to mount on the wall. I have another video going over the installation process in a little bit more detail than I'll be showing in this video, so go check it out if you haven't already. Basically, you take a 2x6 board, hold it up to the wall, and mark on the board where each of the studs are. Then take out your Craig pocket hole jig thingamabob and set it to 1.5 inches. Clamp it down in place and drill the hole. Once that's done, you should have something that looks like this. Now in order for this to work, you'll need to use these 3-inch long GRK multi-purpose wood screws. Place each screw in the hole, then drill in the screws. To fill in the hole, just insert a 3/8 wooden dowel and cut it off with the handsaw. Then just sand it down. Oh yeah. Do that for however many shelves you have and you should have something that looks like this in the end. Upgrade number 3 will be these LED puck lights. These are nice because they come with a remote and you can turn them on manually by clicking the button. Not only that, but they are completely wireless so you don't have to worry about hiding any wires. All I had to do was double side sticky tape them to the bottom of each shelf and behind the TV. Super simple, and it's a great way to add soft lighting to a room. If you guys are interested, the link will be down in the description for all the products that I'm using in this video. Upgrade number 4 seems like an obvious one, but it's an Amazon Alexa / Google Home. This can add a lot of functionality to the room, or you can just play soft music on the fly at any time to help relax.
The station, Easy Pop, on Amazon Music.
My final upgrade will be a bathtub caddy. You can buy these on Amazon for around $30, but none of them would fit my bathtub since it's so deep. So instead, I decided to build my own. So I guess now we'll do a nailed it build montage? Yeah, let's call it that. Well, if your finished results look like this, then congratulations, you nailed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider sharing with your friends and family. All the products used in the video will be linked down in the description if you guys are interested. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll talk to you guys later.